Good morning. So this morning we're at Limehouse. It's a little offshoot, but it's still part of the Bruce Trail. A fascinating place. Limehouse was once was a large village, of course. Judged by the name, they made lime for building products and stuff. This is one of the lime kilns that they used to burn limestone in. It has been restored, and they would put the stone in these and burn it. You can see that circular. It's 1850. That's when this was built. And here's the limestone that they'd burn. They would burn that down to a dust, and they could use that into concrete or anything. Here's the shape. It's called a lime kiln. Around. It's bright and early this morning. All this stone was brought here or quarried from a local place and brought here, and it was burnt. I believe there's 3 of these. Limestone quarry. So they completely restored it. There it is today, in 2004. Slowly turning this into a park, like a business park. That's funny. Like a tourist destination. Limehouse is in the town of Alton Hills. There's more limestone. This is one area of the Bruce Trail that you can come out and just spend a couple hours. The pathways are graveled. trails. Young and old can come out here. Bring your stroller out here and just enjoy the natural setting. It's peaceful. Go this way. Like all the Bruce trails, you can see by the markings, by the white paint mark, what trail you're on. So you won't get lost. It's not far from Toronto. This is one section of the Bruce Trail that the community is taking part in. Restoring the lime kilns. They have there's a group called, I believe it's called Friends of the Lime Kilns, Friends of Limehouse, I'm not exactly sure. But it's a group of people, they come and maintain the walkways. They cut the brush along the edges. It's a pretty good part of the trail. And we're just minutes from, I would say, from Toronto. We're not that far. About, what's it? Well, there's no traffic. You're about 35 minutes. So there's another section of the trail you can go. Don't forget, it's open all winter. You can go snowshoeing, cross-country skiing. In some sections, there's tobogganing. Coming up to another structure that's being restored. You can see this is fenced off. I believe they're trying to raise funds up to restore this lime kilns. And it's the same thing. Put the lime in there and then burn it. It's a massive structure out there. It's used to, at the top of those poles, that was once the height of it. But over the years, people knocked stones down and stuff. But they are raising money to restore it. They will get it restored. And down here are the beautiful waterfalls. If you pick up a brochure, you'll be able to pick up a Bruce Trail brochure, you'll be able to see what all the markings are on the trails, as which is an offshoot, which is the actual trail. These remains are all that's left of a flour mill, and you can see by the stone wall, this used to power a flour mill and bring electricity to the little village of Limehouse. What a beautiful thing. And I'm not sure, I don't believe they're restoring this as yet. Like I said, they're raising money to restore different sections of this conservation area. That's where we came from. And there's the river here. This is, I believe it's Black Creek. I could be wrong though. There's a spot over here you can just rest, or if you want to get closer, take a closer look at the falls, you can. The bench, you have it. It's beautiful in these trails, and you never know what you're going to see. And another good thing is it's free. They don't charge anything to come through here. Now this is okay with the metal in through it. And no clue what that was for. But there's a little trail here you can wander off. Of course, it's not a gravel trail, but you can wander through. Okay guys, let's come out to Limehouse, Ontario, and take a tour of this section of the Bruce Trail. Minutes from Toronto, Mississauga, Hamilton, and enjoy a piece of our countryside. You will not be disappointed. I've lived in Halton Hills my entire life, and I'm still amazed at how beautiful it is. Thank you very much. Have a great day.